I'm on the outside.
Okay. Welcome back. Nagbabalik naman tayo sa isang bagong video. Ayun, nanap ko tong laro na to sa itch.io. Kung alam niyo yun. Ang pangalan ng laro ay Clap Clap by Nightmare Fowl. So, credit sa kanya. Siya yung gumawa ng laro. So, without further ado, simula tayo. Okay. October 8, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about an house-sitting job. Since I was short on cash, I decided to sign up. Okay. Okay. Find Max Kim's house. Quite the neighborhood, no? Okay. Hello? Ikaw ba yun? Ikaw ba si Max Kim? Mayut. Excuse me, I'm trying to find a house on the street. Can you help me out? Sure, which house are you looking for? I'm looking for Max Kim's place. He hired me to look after while he's away. Max Kim? Huh, this is interesting. He usually asks me to watch his place. Well, ako naman yung na-hire niya, so bleble. Marco Budovsky, by the way. Okay. Nice to meet you, Marco. Can you tell me where his house is? Of course, it's 2 houses down. Mine's right here. Our neighbor Safo is the middle. Then Maskim's place. You can't miss it. Okay, 2 houses down. So, thanks, Marco. Appreciate it. No problem. Now, if you excuse me, I just got my home automation system in the mail. I'm really excited. Ano kaya yan? Oh, that sounds interesting. What does it do? Well, it's supposed to make our life a whole lot easier. You know, controlling the lights, temperature, even the security system. Pretty cool stuff. Wow, that sounds convenient. Why did you decide to get it? Partly because of the recent disappearance happening around here. But mainly because our neighbor Safo got one and won't stop raving about it. Okay, paping kita. He left for vacation right after installing it. It said it has built-in surveillance systems and all. Guess he wanted to keep an eye on things while he's away. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks again for directions, Marco. No problem. If you need anything, it's just in a house away. Okay? So, ulan ko samba. Ayun nata. First time itong laro, kaya wala ko alam dito sa laro na to. This must be it. Okay. Teka lang, basa na ito. Clock 25. Okay. Meron siya na. Backyard. Okay. So, the reason laro ko to, dahil may isang YouTuber na laro niya din to. Pakal niya, Rico. Okay. Flower pots. So, kaya yun. So, saan yung flower pots ko makita? Ayun. So, back to story. Laro ko to dahil laro to ng isa kong pinapanood, si Rico the Giant. So, credit sa kanya ba't nilaro ko to. Dilim. That's welcoming. Okay. Ganun pinto. Kailangan kong imbis na isang click lang siya, yung kailangan kong gawin, nakita nyo, i-click ko tapos ito-drag ko. Nice. Okay sakto lang. Takot. Parang may feeling ko laro ko na to. Okay. Hey, thanks for house sitting. Please make sure to check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash. P.S. Press Q to toggle on the lights. Okay, okay. Ay, madali. So, ba't may aftershock? Ay, ko yun, di ba kakalapak ako, tapos may ko magkakalakbak. Teka, ano sabi? Check the mailbox, water the plants. Oo din. Okay. Walang jump scare. Okay. Medyo konting late na ako dito. Siguro. Dahil, tagal na since na-release na tong laro na to. Siguro mga last year pa. Ay, wag. Mali. Aha, sobrang welcoming. Okay. So, Sino yun? Ito ko yung gusto Di ako natutuwa sa ganyan. Ito. Club Home Automation Systems. Clapper Town, CA. Okay. Turning your house into a smart house. Order. Basta. Transaction 0730069. One clap. Subtotal $97. Total. May narinig ako. Explore the rooms. Okay. May nagay yung kumakanta. Pabayaan nyo lang yan, okay? Sabihin nyo lang background music ko. Editor, pwede ka maglagay ng sa part na to na na-inspire ako ng kwarto, pwede ka maglagay ng welcoming music naman. Sige na. Thank you. Ano pa? Okay, normal. Ano pa ako nagulat? Okay. First public. Missing, please help. Chemical Zenzon, 25, 175 pounds. That's in September. Okay. Just sit down. Ang lala. Kalala. Sobrang lala. How to... Ano yan? Ano ba sa dyan? Yung mysterious killer. Tanggalin niya to. Di ako natatawa Hindi ako natatawa. Hindi talaga ako natatawa. Hindi ko ginugusto yung ganito niya. Ayoko yung ganito nyo. Di ako natatawa sa mga kabasasan nyo ha? Sige. Kasi ganito yung yeah. Get some water. Yeah. Sige, kuha ka. Ba't kasi parang may nagtao sa likod ko? Napakan ko yung isa. Sorry. Okay. Sige lang. Get some water. Takot na ako. Ayoko. maka-quit ako eh. May isa kong ayaw pag naka-headset ako eh. Maglaro akong ganito, naka-headset ako. Kaya rig ko lahat. Oh. Kasi may tao sa... Parang may tao sa likod ko. Wala ka na dyan. Yung katadyong lompo. Bye-bye. Sarado ko yun. Ayun. Sadyong cable ko. Ano ito? Ano ba yan? Kasing gulat to. Stop! Install a Federal Investigation Bureau. I need to ask you a few questions. Okay. But, ano kasing wala. Ano kasing intro yun mo? Nakakagulat naman. Sure. What's this about? There have been reports of disturbances in this area, disappearances, strange phenomena. We're conducting an investigation. Yeah, I heard everything. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Basta lang kung gusto yung basahin, pero hindi ko na yan, alam mo, hindi ko na yan babasahin. Okay. So, wala siyang sakyan. Yan kamay niya. Editor, zoom niya sa kamay niya. Talagang naglalakad na lang siya. Okay. Balik ka dito. Come on. Nice. Okay, guys. May nakita kong mahaba tsaka may team. Hold on, pause ha. Ano yun? Rewind mo. Ano yun? Ha? What's up? Sige, no, yabang ka? Ha? What's up? Oh, what's up? Takot ka. Nagaganyan pa ako. Takot naman din ako eh. What's up? Sige, what's up? Oh, what's up? Sige, pero tayo mag-go out tayo. Sige, nasan ka? What's up? Okay. Ba't katok? Hindi na ako natatawa. Hindi ako natatawa sa mga kagawaan nyo. Hindi ako natatawa sa kalokohan nyo. Okay? Share naman ako punta. Okay. Tapon lahat ng cereal ko. Okay. So, ito na jump school lang ako. Ayun na. Ano yun? Meron. Hoy, ba't di ako makagalaw? Hoy! Lah, di ako makagalaw. Laka. Makagalaw. Ayoko na. Nasaan yung remote? Hindi ako natatawa sa mga ganyan nyo. Hindi na ako natatawa. Di ako natatawa, di ako natatawa. Di ako natatawa. Sige lang kayo, sige lang. Hoy! Patayin niyo ako! Laka! Lagot! Ano yun? Ito ko house sitter. Ano ka binabakas ang book na ito? Tumumula yun. Ano meron dito? Hindi ako natatawa, hindi ako natatawa. Nalaman ko na nangyari, may multo. Palabas niyo na ako. Hindi na mic ko. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. May ako? Hello! Laka. Ano ba? Hala ka! Lagot! Hala ka, lagot ka! Takbo, 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 takbo. Takbo, 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 takbo. Hala ka! Sakit sa puso. I kept running until the niche reached the nearest police station. While investigating, the authorities found Marco's lifeless body in his house. Meanwhile, Maskim's remains were found stuffed in the trash bag outside his house. Their neighbors have disappeared under similar circumstances, whose remains have yet been to be found. Despite the eerie scratches the walls and my harrowing account, no trace of the creatures ever discovered. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind. Whoa! Dalawa. Okay. Wait, I was just seeing also.
Did you hear what the captain said earlier? Rumor has it that changing.
Thanks, Maskim.
Thought I'd get a little out.
Grabe. First team day na ata. Ganda ng laro. Sabi kaganda. Nakatakot. So, kung gusto nyo itong laruin, lagay ko lang yung link para sa description. Para kung gusto nyo laruin, i-download nyo na lang po. Sige. Dahil nakatakot na ako sobra. Dahil nakatakot na ako. Tsaka natapos ko yung laro. Dito din magtatapos ang video. So, kaya salamat sa pagpanood naman. Tsaka sana magkita tayo sa next video. Bye bye.